Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learning Electronics. In this lecture, we are going to study reasons of failure of boost converter. In the previous class, we have studied the working, output waveforms and analysis of boost converter, in which we have derived all the parameters equations of the boost converter. So if you want to see that video, you can check it in the channel playlist. So before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get more updated videos from here. This is the circuit diagram of boost converter. Here you can see we have connected a switch S in between this inductor L and this diode D. The IGBT is implemented as switch in the boost converter. Now we will discuss the reasons of failure of the boost converter. This is the circuit diagram of boost converter. In the boost converter, when we take duty ratio is equal to 1, at that time the switch present in the boost converter circuit will be closed permanently. That means it will be on for the indefinite period of time, and when this switch is closed, at that time the source is disconnected from the load because this diode D will go into the off condition. Okay, in that case we will provide the energy to the load resistor. This capacitor which was initially charged will provide the energy to the load resistor. So during the on condition of this switch, this capacitor will provide the voltage to this resistor, therefore it will be discharging position in this case. So when this switch is closed for indefinite period of time, this capacitor will discharge completely and it will not get any energy to again charge itself. Okay, so in that case what happens, when this capacitor voltage becomes 0, Vc is equal to 0, because this capacitor is connected parallel to this load resistor, the average load voltage or the average output voltage V0 will also be equal to 0 in that case. The input side, the inductor will store the energy for indefinite period of time. Because this switch is closed permanently, therefore this inductor will store the energy continuously and will be driven into saturation. Therefore the boost converter operation will become unstable in the practical condition with duty ratio is equal to 1. So generally this boost converter is operated in the range of duty ratio 0 to 0.5 only. So these are the reasons of the failure of the boost converter. Hope you have understood the topic. Thank you very much for watching and please do subscribe my channel for more updates.